Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Extreme Creature Science. I am Zanachnose, and today we're going to show you how to make a portal. Yes, a portal. I know, I'm surprised too. I had no clue I was going to actually do this at all. Let's begin. So of course, first thing you're going to need is a boiling pot of water. Not a boiling water of pot, a boiling pot of water. Actually, the latter option sounds even better. After you get yourself your boiling pot of water, here you go. Here are your ingredients. You're going to need a hanger, a water bottle, a hole puncher, a fedora, an excellent short film, a notepad, and a lightsaber. So now once you have all of that done, you're going to have to stir it around. Get your big stick and stir it around. And then you wait 10 to 58,000 and then you should have, it's a biggin. Ugh. It's a biggin. Yeah. You should have a portal, ladies and gentlemen. It's a portal. It's so beautiful. So amazing. I love it. Just wanna. What are you doing here? Go away.